What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new Google Pixel Screenshots application on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I want to show you guys what this application does if you don't have a Pixel device. You may not think that a screenshot organizational tool would be very useful, but it actually seems really useful. I've been using it since I got the Pixel 9 Pro XL and I like it. I haven't even started using it to its full extent, but you can actually get this on your Galaxy phone. There's a couple of small caveats. You got to do a little work, but I'll show you how to get it today on your Galaxy device if you're interested. Before we get started, I do want to thank my 4-year-old son Jonathan. We've got the turtle hanging out back here, the tortoise rather, I'm sorry, not a turtle. He's a very large guy, so I've got him kind of just poking his head through. We always appreciate my son giving us some cool toys and animals to hang out in the video. If you guys haven't yet, check out our website, sammyguru.com. We're covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials. Full-time now, we got full-time writers over there, so bookmark it, come back every day to get the latest updates. Also, you get in our mystery box program. If you're going to order a Galaxy S25 device here in the US, get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies. Just put in your phone number, your email, one or the other, or both. Sign up. The link will be in the pinned comment and description. So, for those of you who don't know much about Google and Pixel and all that good stuff, the brand new Pixel Screenshots app, which just says Screenshots here on my Pixel 9 Pro XL, it's basically an application that Google kind of hyped up during their launch event, and what it does is it'll automatically organize your screenshots for you. And not only does it let you create collections, so you can see here it says create your first collection, organize your screenshot, and you know, in my case, like I might want to collect all of my real-time video analytics that I have from YouTube. So here's a bunch of, you see it actually tells you, it summarizes it, uses AI to summarize what the screenshot is. Now it doesn't give you all of them, but a lot of them it does summarize what's in there. So that way if you're creating a collection, you'd be able to go back and do this, and then I could say something like Studio Analytics. These are my analytics from YouTube Studio, and I could tap that, and now it'll categorize those screenshots. Now what it will do is it'll also learn from your categorizations and then continue to improve over time. So you can search your screenshots. So I could actually say rhino. It can't find it here. So you can see like certain things, you can see there's a picture of a rhino there in my wallpaper. Let's try wallpaper. I've played around this on a couple of my different Pixel devices. The search tool isn't that great until you have a couple of categories. On this particular phone, on my smaller Pixel 9 Pro, I've made a few categories. I should have grabbed it. But once you get, say, maybe 100 screenshots, this thing really does shine. Now, up in the settings, you can choose to turn the search your screenshots with on-device AI on or off if you don't want AI to be perusing your screenshots. But I really think that having this ability to collect all your screenshots together gives you some great opportunities to kind of let it learn. You can also add from your gallery or your camera here to this collection if you want. Like if you have things that you've taken pictures of that really are pictures of a screen or pictures of a receipt, those could be added here. And then you could also collect like all of your receipts or some other like paper that you want to organize in here as well. And that could be its own category. So if you think this is useful, it's obviously very useful to me because I use my Samsung phones to make tutorials a lot on our website, and I end up taking a bunch of screenshots. So you may want this on your Galaxy phone. The way you can get it is by going over to our friends at APK Mirror. I'll drop the link below. APK Mirror is a website that kind of has APKs you can download and sideload on your Samsung phone. You should always be wary of downloading third-party APKs. I trust APK Mirror, but of course do your research as well to make sure that you do. It gives you all the information about it. They check it for any malware, things like that. I also have the free version, so I have the paid version, there's no ads. The free version, there'll be some ads. You can download the APK here. I already did that. Once you download the APK, what you can do is go to the App Store to download this because it is a full kind of package. There's quite a bit to install, and I spelled Mirror wrong. But this is the installer, and I'll drop the link below here as well. It's in early access. And then once you have this, if you open the APK Mirror installer, you can browse your files. And then what you'll look for is you'll look for the APK that you found, which is the Pixel Screenshots APK. And then you'll go ahead and tap on this. And then you're going to go ahead and tap on Install Package down here at the bottom. It'll ask if you want to install it. You'll say yes. Now here, since if you don't have the full paid version, I actually haven't signed in on my paid account yet. You'll have to watch an ad. So you can watch this ad and then go ahead and do the installation. So now we'll go ahead and install the Pixel Screenshots app after you hit install. Gonna go ahead and install the app, and then you can go ahead and tap on Open App, and it will open. Now you do need to add access to photos and videos, so allow all in order to get the most benefit. Search your screenshots with on-device AI. When you turn on the app's AI processing, it saves and processes helpful details to become a searchable library to help you find anything in your screenshots. If you turn on AI processing, the app will use AI to summarize your new and existing screenshots. You saw how I showed you there's a little summary at the top of each one. I find that to be one of the most helpful features. When you turn this on, the new screenshots will also save metadata like web links, app names when the screenshot was taken, so you can search the details later. So you can say, show me all the screenshots from September 2nd, and it'll show it to you. It shows you the data management, which of course you should read. If you want to do this, allow for notifications. And then down here, you'll notice that, at the top, you'll notice it's downloading the models for the AI models in the background. So this does take some time. Once that downloads fully, you'll have the option to go ahead and use all the functionality that I showed you over here on the Pixel. So you can create collections, whatever you want to do, just like I did on the Pixel. You can create your first collection. You can turn the settings on or off in there. And if you actually look here in the settings on both versions, these are the exact same versions of the application. It's just that the Pixel comes pre-reloaded with all those models, and obviously on the Samsung phone, we need to then download those in the background. So once those are done, you'll be good to go. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to get Pixel screenshots on your Galaxy smartphone. I do think it's a great tool. Obviously, that's if you're assuming you're okay with giving Google access to some more of your data. Obviously, they already have a lot if you use an Android phone and use Google services, but it can be very helpful, particularly if you use screenshots a lot like I do in your work. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon. Make sure you go to our website, samiguru.com, sign up for those mystery boxes if you're in the US, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.